So I want to show you a tool that's kind of not well known within the DroneDeploy Ground app, which is our X-ray mode. We've used this a lot in interior work with what goes in behind walls and kind of seeing before drywall was installed to kind of know where backing is. But we've had a lot of questions of, hey, can you use that on a concrete pour or a slab deck? And so we're actually out here on a slab deck that's been poured. This is a post-tension deck. And I actually want to show you what this looks like from my phone to view an X-ray into this slab before it was poured. So the key part here is that the slab was actually walked with a 360 camera before it was poured to document where all the PT cables were, where all the sleeves and embeds are in this slab. And so now what I can do is I can access that walk on my phone and then use this X-ray mode to see what it looked like before and now what it looks like now, kind of sliding this kind of viewer icon back and forth from the present to the past of what it looked like. So I'm going to show you what that looks like here on my phone. So what I've done is I've actually navigated to this walk that was taken here. So you can see this is a 360 image of what it looked like before the slab was poured. You can see all the PT cables and all the sleeves in here. And I've actually positioned myself to where I'm at in this building here. You can kind of see behind me here, which is the edge and this column that's sticking up and the slab edge of where that's at here. So what's really cool about this is I can actually use the slider button on the bottom to kind of position where I'm at. So this is actually the real world. You can obviously see that column here. You can see my finger pointing on that column. And what I can do is I can use that slider to go back in time to see what it looked like before. So what's really cool about this is you can see where some of these PT cables are. You can see where some of these sleeves are actually right behind me here. You can see that there's those 3 sleeves right there. And we actually have a bigger sleeve over here. And if I want to, I can slide back on this icon here or on this slider and actually see what it was back in time. So you can see actually right here, if you see, that's where that sleeve is at. And if I go back in time, there's where that sleeve at is right there. And I can actually move and position this if I need to get kind of the view to look right. But this is actually really helpful. I can see that it looks like these PT cables actually went to the side of that column here. So let me go ahead and slide this back over. The PT cables look like they went on this side of the column rather than into the column. That's pretty common for those PT cables here. But isn't that so cool? I can actually go back and see it looks like there was a cluster of PT cables right here. And it looks like kind of towards the slab edge. If I can go ahead and slide that back and slide that back again. So again, I can make any adjustments if I want to move. I'm actually stationary right now. You can see as I'm kind of walking around here, but this is just so cool. This X-ray mode is really easy to do. If you actually go and I hit this done button here, it's actually down here in the bottom right corner. So you can see that little icon there. That's X-ray mode. That will launch and that will give you the camera. And then I can go back in time and see what that looked like for slabs. So really, really helpful here. Again, I can see here, probably one of the most helpful things is that those PT cables go on the outside of those sleeves here. So again, I can go back in time. I can see where those sleeves are at and see, okay, I can actually readjust if I need to and see, okay, it looks like there's PT cables that went on the sides of those sleeves as I go back and forth in time. So just really helpful. I just think this is one of the best features on the Ground app to kind of see where some of these things are. And again, I'm just standing here as you can kind of get an idea of how this works here. So I hope that was helpful. Again, go and navigate to a panorama or a walk that you did on the DroneDeploy Ground app. Go ahead and click on that X-ray button down in that bottom right-hand corner, and that will launch you into the slider to view what it is in real time and what it was before. So I hope that was helpful. Give you a little idea of how the X-ray mode works on DroneDeploy Ground.